Hi guys, welcome back with me Mas Agus saja. Warm wishes to all of you. Right now I'm with Coco, Jojo, and Mew Mew. Hi. Here we are going to show you how to make BlackPink ice cream. Let's squeeze. Ice cream, yup. People of all ages have a great fun of this dessert. But do you know that the inventor of ice cream is unknown and has never been awarded? Ice cream had a very interesting past, from being eaten by American presidents to symbolize the morale in the Second World War. The history of ice cream is something that any lover of the frozen dessert needs to know. It was first told that in 200 years before Christ, people enjoyed many variations of frozen dessert. It was Alexander the Great loved snow flavored with honey and nectar. And then Nero Claudius Caesar was known to send servants to the mountains for snow to then be flavored with fruits and juices. However, it was Chinese who were most often credited with the invention of today's ice cream. They figured out that packing snow into a bowl of rice and milk made a tasty treat. Then, 1,000 years later, Marco Polo returned home from a trip to the Far East with a recipe similar to modern-day sorbet. The craze quickly spread throughout Europe's upper class and royalty during the 1500s. But this dessert was no way for lower classes to keep their ice cream cold. 1744 was the year ice cream officially made its way to America, when a Scottish colonist visited the governor of Maryland and wrote about the delicious strawberry ice cream he had eaten there. From that moment on, ice cream invaded the White House, with Presidents George Washington and Thomas Jefferson loving the treat on hot summer days. And yet, ice cream remained a dessert for the upper class. Then, in the 1930s, ice cream hit grocery store shelves and became a staple in American freezers. Ice cream was used as a source of morale for American troops during the Second World War. By the way, stores dispatched ice cream in the freezer for another 7 hours and ready to be served. Finally, in 1851, ice cream entered mass production. The mass production of ice cream suddenly made the trade more accessible to the lower classes. And then, in the late 1800s, the Industrial Revolution hit great advances in refrigeration, steam power, and automobiles finally made it possible for ice cream to be transported to and stored by the masses. The popularity of ice cream grew to the point where it was seen as a symbol of Americanism. And today, ice cream is no longer just a treat for the elite. We can find ice cream in almost any markets, restaurants, or counters. It is also recognized globally as the perfect summer treat. In the United States alone, 1.6 billion gallons of ice cream and frozen treats are produced annually, with the average American eating 4 gallons of ice cream each year. Ice cream is still evolving and changing each year, with new flavors being introduced and tasty recipes being developed. Okay, now let's make some ice cream for our dessert. Mix 200 grams of sugar, 200 grams of condensed milk, 50 grams of cornstarch, 1 sachet of instant milk powder with 1 liter of fresh milk. Stir it well until all the ingredients are dissolved. Boil and keep stirring the batter over a low flame. When it's boiled, move and let it cool down. Then store it in the freezer for 7 hours. Next, put the frozen batter into a bigger container and melt it around 5 minutes. Add 3/4 teaspoon of emulsifier and mix it for 20 minutes. Then, divide the batter into 2 containers. For the black ice cream batter, I added 1 pack of Oreo crumbs with 2 teaspoons of black food coloring. Mix it well for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, for the pink batter, I added 2 packs of strawberry ice blended with 1 teaspoon of pink food coloring. Mix it well for 15 minutes.
Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and smash that subscribe button. And also switch the bell on to notify you whenever I upload new videos. See ya!